You have got to be kidding me. $7,000 per month for that. So last week I was talking to a director of operations for a medium-sized dealer group. And one of the things that came up was inbound phone calls. And he told me that one of his dealerships uses an outside company, an outside vendor, to handle their inbound BDC phone calls. Now, let's all get something straight. We all know that the value of an inbound phone call is tremendous. These are people that are at the end of their shopping process. They're calling for two reasons. Number one is to get information, ask about pricing, availability, options, and number two is to size up the dealership to see if they want to come into that dealership and look at the car. Now, the goal of the person on the phone from the dealership is to get that customer to come into the dealership, to solicit an appointment, to create dialogue, to make them feel comfortable, and to secure that appointment and get them into the store. I told this director of operations, or rather I asked him, can I mystery shop your dealership? And he said, of course, because I was curious how they were doing. And I did. And I'm going to play you right now the audio of this call. Now, we have edited it a little bit. We've taken off the beginning and a little bit of the end because we don't want to share the name of the dealership. So this is the call, and I will talk to you again on the flip side.
A representative will be with you shortly.
How can I help you?
Yes. Could you tell me, I'm on your website, what is the difference between a regular used car and a certified used car?
So certified means it's been inspected by a manufacturer certified technician and it has an extension on the warranty.
Okay, so if it's not certified, is there no warranty?
So it depends on the year. If it's a newer vehicle, it'll have the remainder of the factory warranty, but the powertrain warranty will not be extended.
I gotcha. Okay, I'm just doing some preliminary shopping. I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Sure, you're very welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.
I've got to say this again. You've got to be kidding me. There was no solicitation of an appointment. There was no solicitation of information. There was no solicitation to get an email address, a cell phone number. We can't even follow up with this customer. This was a wasted opportunity. And here's the best part of all. Do you know how much they're paying for this service? $7,000 per month for that. And we wonder why we're not making more money. Good luck, everyone.